Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, her husband Robert Vadra, for the transactions done during the UPA 1 and UPA 2 era. Enforcement Directorate का प्रोब है वो एक 12 ब्राइटन स्क्वायर लंदन के इर्द गिर्द घूमता हुआ जा रहा है. And the fact today is that all these transactions were done between Thampi and a man based out of the UK who has been made and accused, Atul, in the enforcement. Dear viewers, today we are bringing you the exclusive documents which we have accessed by the Enforcement Directorate, which has now submitted a charge sheet, a damning charge sheet, which levels some serious accusations against Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, her husband Robert Vadra, for the transactions done during the UPA 1 and UPA 2 era. And these transactions involve foreign transactions and also the transactions done on agricultural land in Haryana when the then Bhupender Singh Hooda government was in power and UPA 2 was being ruled by the Congress government and led by the Congress party. There are actually 5 or 6 main accused in this charge sheet, but the startling revelations have been made against Robert Vadra. The fact that he created 3 companies in 2007, Atul.
Yes.
One was named as Skylight Hospitality,
and second was
Skylight Reality, and third one was Blue Breeze. तो 3 कंपनियां आप सोचिए, Mr. Robert Vadra floats 3 companies, and there is an entry of a man called C.C. Thampi in these transactions, who is the jigsaw in this puzzle. And when Thampi enters into these transactions, the curiosity is being raised on the purchase of a property in London on the venerated address of 12 Brighton Square in London. जो पूरा एक एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट का प्रोब है वो एक 12 ब्राइटन स्क्वायर लंदन के इर्द गिर्द घूमता हुआ जा रहा है. एंड द फैक्ट टुडे इज दैट ऑल दीज ट्रांजैक्शंस वर डन बिटवीन थम्पी एंड अ मैन based out of the UK who has been made and accused, Atul, in the enforcement. सुमित चड्डा आदमी शख्स जो कि यूके नेशनल है, जिसकी नेशनैलिटी इंडियन नहीं है, यूके नेशनल है, वो और उनकी वाइफ पूजा, इनके नाम पे एक प्रॉपर्टी रजिस्टर्ड की गई है, ट्रांसफर की गई है सीसी थम्पी द्वारा लंदन में. लेकिन कहा जाता है ईडी जब जांच पड़ताल करती है, थम्पी से बार बार सवाल पूछती है कि उनके बैंक के खातों में कहां से पैसे आए, तो वो जवाब नहीं दे पाते हैं. और अब मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं, what raises the eyeballs and what raises curiosity by the enforcement directorate is the fact that सीसी थम्पी नाम के आदमी और रॉबर्ट वाद्रा के जो कंपनी बनाई जाती है वो सेम नाम से होती है, भले ही वो शारजा में हो, इंडिया में हो. इन इंडिया रॉबर्ट वाड्रा क्रिएट्स 2 कंपनीज, Skylight Hospitality and Skylight Reality, and third company he creates is Blue Breeze. लेकिन जो ब्लू ब्रीज 2007 में की जाती है इनकॉर्पोरेट, उसका ईमेल एड्रेस यूके की सिटीजन का, सीसी थम्पी की एक एम्प्लॉय बीना का जो कि दुबई में है, उनका एड्रेस दिया जाता है. और 2007 में ही रॉबर्ट वाद्रा के थ्रू एक 10 लाख रुपए डिपॉजिट होते हैं थम्पी के अकाउंट में.
Yes.
In Thampi's account, rupees 10 lakh is deposited, which
in
is
November 2007.
In November 2007.
When Enforcement Directorate asked him about this particular transactions, he could not give satisfactory answer as of now. And it has been mentioned in the charge sheet that there is no satisfactory answer as to why Mr. Vadra credited this huge amount, 10 lakh rupees, into his account, and he's out on bail.
now what further raises the curiosity among these 3 people, that is Priyanka Vadra, Robert Vadra, and CC Thampi, is that all the 3 people in between 2005 to 2008 purchased different chunks of land at different times from the same man called
HL Pava. And
HL
this
Pava.
HL Pava is a NCR based property dealer. We can call him a real estate agent. And he was, what he was doing, he was selling lands to Mr. Thampi, Mr. Vadra, and also the first time name of Priyanka Vadra Gandhi has been mentioned in the charge sheet, which says that she also purchased the land from Mr. H.L. Pahwa, who is the real estate agent.
Exactly. और अतुल, मुझे लगता है कि जब प्रियंका वाड्रा ने लैंड परचेस करी, 5 एकड़ की जमीन वो परचेस करती है हरियाणा के एक छोटे से गांव में, गांव का जो नाम है अमीपुर, फरीदाबाद में। आप सोचिए कि फरीदाबाद में एक जमीन खरीदी जाती है, रॉबर्ट वाड्रा भी खरीदते हैं, प्रियंका वाड्रा भी खरीदती हैं, और ये सीसी थम्पी भी खरीदते हैं, जिनके इर्द गिर्द ये प्रॉपर्टी का जिक्र हो रहा है, लंदन की प्रॉपर्टी का। लेकिन अगर थम्पी 335 एकड़ की जमीन खरीदते हैं, तो वहीं रॉबर्ट वाड्रा और प्रियंका वाड्रा भी सिर्फ 5 और 4 एकड़ की जमीन खरीदते हैं। बट व्हेन दे परचेज द लैंड, they return the same chunk of land to its original owner, raising questions if this was a case of round tipping, and that if the transaction was suspicious, the fact that if I as a consumer or a purchaser purchase a land from a property dealer or a real estate consultant, and then I sell it, the same piece of land, to him at an exorbitant price less than 2 or 3 years ago, less than 2 years later, then isn't this a case of a round tipping? Where was that money going? And the ED, when it starts probing the purchase of these land deals, it cannot find the deal papers, the stamp papers, which reveal the cash flow. It is only in the papers that there is a flow of the money during the purchase, but there is only a cash which is flowing out of the registers of the landowner, Mr. Pahwa. अब जब ये सारी चीजें हो रही हैं, then there is also a discovery by the enforcement directorate which sent summons and which collected details from Sharjah बैंक अकाउंट डिटेल्स ऑफ सीसी थम्पी। तो यह पाया जाता है कि सीसी थम्पी के बैंक अकाउंट में अनडिस्क्लोज्ड अनलिमिटेड अमाउंट ट्रांसफर होता जा रहा है दिरहम्स में। In dirhams, his account is getting inundated and flooded with money and transaction which he refuses to explain before the enforcement directorate. CC Thampi is an Indian citizen, and when the enforcement directorate asks him the question that where this money is getting deposited into his bank account, he remains blank. He doesn't answer.
He did not give satisfactory answer. And another point is that this land was agricultural land. When they did not have to do some agricultural business, why there was need of purchasing this chunk of land, and they were selling it back to Mr. H.L. Pahwa. So first they are purchasing a land from a real estate agent and selling it back to the same real estate agent. And when this is happening, when there was a Congress government in Haryana, so this is also raising the questions. So no doubt Mr. Vadra will be called to join the investigation. On earlier also he was summoned and he was asked to join the probe. As of now, Mr. Vadra has appeared before the ED on several occasions, but it will be the first time when Mrs. Priyanka Vadra Gandhi might be summoned, because her name has been mentioned in the charge sheet. So there are possibilities, because they all are purchasing land from one guy who is H.L. Pahwa. So maybe there is need to record the statement of Mrs. Gandhi as well, sir.
बिल्कुल. In fact, Atul, the documents also say, I may read the quote. It says, I may quote this document. It says, it was also noticed that Robert Vadra did not pay the entire sale consideration to Mr. Pahwa. आप सोचिए, आप किसी से जमीन लिए खरीद लेते हैं और आप उसको उसके जमीन के पैसे नहीं देते, लेकिन जमीन आप बेचने आ जाते हैं। तो जब आपको पैसे कलेक्ट करने हैं एक आदमी से, तो आप पैसे कलेक्ट लेने आ जाते हैं, कैश फ्लो हो रहा है रजिस्टर से, कैश जा रहा है कि हमें जमीन वापस दे रहे हैं और जमीन की हम दाम वापस दे रहे हैं मिस्टर वाद्रा को। लेकिन जब जमीन खरीदी जाती है तो उसका पैसा है ही नहीं, कोई ट्रांजैक्शन का पेपर ही नहीं है उसका। लेकिन इसके लिए एक अलग इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है ईडी की। तो मैं बड़ा हैरान हूं कि अतुल, मेरे पास तो खैर इतनी ज़मीनें नहीं है, ना मेरे अंदर इतनी क्षमता है कि मैं ये रखूँ ज़मीनें या परचेज करूँ, ना मुझे डिज़ायर भी है लाइफ में। तो क्या ये डिज़ायर्स को लेके था? क्योंकि जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ प्रियंका वाद्रा का एक हॉलीडे वेकेशन भी है शिमला में, तो लग्जरी को लेके था, ये किस चीज़ को लेके था? क्योंकि अभी देखा जाए तो कांग्रेस पार्टी अपना 138वां साल मना रही है और बार बार कह रही है देश के लिए कैंपेन करिए, देश के लिए डोनेशन दीजिए, देश की डोनेशन का एक कैंपेन चलाया हुआ है। सो आई एम प्रीटी मच अपॉल्ड एट द होल आइडिया दैट फॉर अ पार्टी टू क्लेम क्राउड फंडिंग so publicly and so brazenly is being ruled by the people. Priyanka Vadra has been included in the Congress Party's office bearers list this year, and her husband, who does not enjoy any position in the party, was making these land deals with foreign entities, and the alleged evasion of the declaration of the taxes has been done. So what was it like? I mean, why? What was happening?
See, if I will go into the political angle, so he was only purchasing a land where Congress was in rule, like Faridabad, Haryana. So Congress government was ruling that state. And second point, you are asking about the luxury. So it has been mentioned in the chart sheet that whenever he used to visit London,
3 या 4 बारी वो उसी घर में रुकते थे.
exactly,
लंदन के उस घर में ही रुकते थे.
And-
तो क्या वो लंदन का घर उन्हीं का ही है? ये शायद ईडी स्टैब्लिश करना चाह रही है, और अगर
also-
है तो बताते क्यों नहीं है?
and
तो पैसे
also
से
there
खरीदा
is
तो.
the name of one arms dealer, Sanjay Bhandari, who is the main accused in this charge sheet. Basically, we are talking about a case which is based on the IT case. ED has lodged a PMLA based on the IT case which was against Mr. Sanjay Bhandari, arms dealer. And when they probed it, they found the link of Mr. Vadra and his family members. And they went to London to discover that there was a property which they call Benami property.
Right.
They say that this is the Robert Vadra is the actual owner because he spent 65,000 pounds on the renovation of that house. And who did this? Sanjay Bhandari, who is the arms dealer and a proclaimed offender of India. He is currently living in London, and currently there are Indian governments talking to their counterpart in London to bring him back. And currently he is out on bail there too in London. He was arrested by the UK authorities because India government wanted to bring him back. So definitely, sir, what
Exactly. So let me just reiterate and encapsulate the big takeaways from this ED charge sheet, which was submitted before the court, the PMLA court in Delhi on 21st of November, about 83 pages charge sheet, which carries the name of 8 accused, but also names Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Robert Vadra, her husband, in the explosive charge sheet, though they have not yet been named as accused. लेकिन जो बाकी 8 नाम हैं, संजय भंडारी जो कि एब्सकॉन्डिंग है, संजीव कपूर जो कि एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है, अनिरुद्ध वाधवा, एक कंपनी सैंटेक इंटरनेशनल, एक रिपब्लिक ऑफ पनामा के डायरेक्टर श्यामलाल, और एक सीसी थम्पी और सुमित चड्डा जो कि यूके के नेशनल, जिनका मैंने बताया कि जो अभी उस यूके बेस्ड प्रॉपर्टी का कब्जा करके बैठे हैं, लेकिन वो हो सकता है शायद वो बिलोंग करती हो रॉबर्ट वाड्रा को ही. ये सारा जो तमाशा है, जो खेल है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन है, वो लंदन की एक प्रॉपर्टी को लेके ही होगा, और लंदन की प्रॉपर्टी का रियल ओनर कौन है वो ही इस पूरे मकाम तक लेके आएगी इन्फोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट को, प्रोब को समझने के लिए कि कहां से कहां पैसा जाता था और क्यों रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के साथ में इनकी ट्रांजैक्शंस हुई सीसी थम्पी की, और क्यों थम्पी ने अपनी कंपनी जो फ्लोट करी, और उन्हीं की जो नेफ्यू नीस है बीना, जिसके नाम पे अब ये प्रॉपर्टी है, जिसको एक प्रॉपर्टी सौंप दी गई है लंदन वाली, उसी बीना का एड्रेस रॉबर्ट वाड्रा की बनाई हुई ब्लू ब्रीज कंपनी में ईमेल एड्रेस दिया जाता है. आप सोचिए, तो बड़ा दिलचस्प मामला हो गया लंदन की प्रॉपर्टी को लेके. ये किसकी प्रॉपर्टी थी, कहाँ पैसा जा रहा था, वेकेशन होम था या रेंटल होम से, ये किसके थे, ये तो अब ईडी ही फैसला लेगी और कोर्ट ही फैसला लेगा आगे. डू वॉच द सेकंड एपिसोड वेयर वी go into the fine details of this brilliant probe being done by Enforcement Directorate in this charge sheet.
For such fine news breaks and video features from ground on your mobile phones, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The New Indian, by clicking on the bell icon. Also, follow us on the social media handles on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Co.